Now I have the Technics 671 back together so far. The metal frame is screwed back together, all the screws are back in, the cassette compartment is back in there. And well, let's make a little tour of this amazing cassette recorder. Right here we have the power supply, circuit board. This is a very huge transformer. Another part of the power supply. As you can see, for the power transistors they used pretty big heat sinks, not like with the new machines where they're small and not big enough. These are the connections, and I think this is the Dolby. Yeah, this is the Dolby circuit board. As you can see, they use no integrated circuits. It's all, all with separate transistors, resistors, all that stuff. It's all on this circuit board. It's held in place by this thing here. And here we have the main circuit board with the record play switches. They're switched by a big solenoid. We'll see that later. Here we have the counter drive, and switches, view meters, their lights. This is the light of the cassette compartment. Right here we have the switch which detects if the cassette can record or not. As you can see, there is this little contact. This other switch detects if there is a cassette inside or not. If you put in a cassette, this switch is turned on, and then you can use this deck. This is the capstan motor, of course. This solenoid here, if the cassette deck, if you're in playback mode or rewind or fast forward, this is turned on, and then you cannot open the door anymore. And let's take a look onto the front side. Here you can see headphone jack, microphone jacks, power switch, level regulators, and the VU meters. Right here is an output volume potentiometer. For some reason you can't regulate the volume of the headphones with that. It only regulates the output of the RCA jacks. The counter switches. These are the switches for the mechanism. They're not mechanical. All it's all with electrical switches. But if you look below there, you can see there is another solenoid. And if the switch right here, blurry switch right there, if it is turned on, this solenoid is also turned on. It's turned on by this switch, and then you can't press the buttons. They'll just come out again. And this is the bottom part of the machine. You can see the very big flywheel, rewind and fast forward motor, and the shaft of the capstan motor. I'll replace this belt. I have to regulate the speed of the motor now. Big transformer with a metal shielding right here. Fuses. Another circuit board. This is for the control of the machine. Also the auto stop sensor is hooked up to it. So this is the control. Right here we have a really big solenoid which switches the record play switches. It's record mode, it's turned on. And there is the power switch. The button here goes, there is a metal part that goes down until here. and then there's the power switch. Well, and that's pretty much this machine. The Technics RS671 USD.